Chapter 5, sum number 23. Sham and Jose are partners in the firm of sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2 on 1st April 2018. They admitted Joel as the partners on the day of Joel admission. Goodwill appear in the books of the firm at 30,000. By assuming the fluctuating capital method, pass the necessary journal entry in the partners decided to. First one, write of the entire amount of exceeding goodwill. Second one, write of 20,000 of the exceeding goodwill. Sum எப்படி போடுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 23 first one, to write of the entire amount of exceeding goodwill. Entire amount goodwill க்கு பண்ணும்போது என்ன என்ட்ரின்னு பாருங்க. Journal entry, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. 1 April 2018, Sam capital account, Joe's capital account to goodwill account. The Sam capital account 18,000, Joe's capital account 12,000 to goodwill account 30,000. Exceeding goodwill return off. So Sam calculation 30,000 into 3 divided by 5, 18,000. Joe's 30,000 into 2 divided by 5, 12,000. Second one, to write off 20,000 of the exceeding goodwill. அதுக்கு journal entry, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. April 1, 2018, Sam's capital account 12,000, Joe's capital account data 8,000, to goodwill account 20,000. Exceeding goodwill return off to the extent of rupees 20,000. Sam 20,000 into 3 divided by 5, 12,000. Joe's 20,000 into 2 divided by 5, 8,000. இந்த சம் இதோட முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.